Welcome once more to the Sunny Slim Effect, and today I want to show you how I do some of my videos, and this time I'm using a kind of screen recorder app to record my screen. I know you might have been seeing my videos on how I bring like a mobile interface, a mobile version on some of my YouTube videos. I know you might have been wondering how I do it, and there is this screen recorder called XRecorder, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to use XRecorder. It's a very simple app you can get from your Play Store, from your app, from your Apple iStore and the rest, and just utilize it to record your screen and do your video tutorial. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Hit the red notification button for more update, and while we head down to our video. So you know by now, I've been wondering how I record some of my mobile screen which I use on my YouTube channel. I want to introduce an app to you which is called XRecorder. You can see it amongst all my apps in my Android phone. That is XRecorder over here. That is the app over here. That is XRecorder. You can see it up there, and let me click it right now. It's now opening. It can be downloaded from Play Store and iOS as well. You can see some of my videos I have used. You can see some of my video in my timeline here. You can see the latest video I just did. You can see another one. One thing about this app is you can also use it to edit, but I don't use it to edit my video. I use Filmora or some other good editor to bring out a very good output. The app XRecorder is a very good app. It can be used for editing and can be used to record your screen perfectly. So let me go to another function. Let me go to the settings. This is where you have to set your XRecorder settings so that it can match your taste. This is for the mic, the internal mic, and this is the video. This is your video setting. You can set it to 720p auto. If you click it, you will see you can modify it. You can only modify if you are not. Orientation auto. This is your save location, where this is a place where, in case you have done your video completely, that is where your final output will be saved on your phone. Just click on here, it will direct you there, it will take you there, and you won't struggle to search for your recorded screen video. This is the video segment. You can see this is a repair system UI crash. You can open this in case to repair your system UI. There's the control setting, recording mode, normal mode. Before this is a countdown before start. 3, 2, 1, like just as it started, as I was trying to record this screen. This is a pop-up window after taking shot. Yeah, this is recommended. You can stitch it, you can tick it. This is like let's assume you finish recording, it will bring a pop-up window and show you where your videos is set. Okay, this is another one. Hide floating ball during recording. Okay, that's the floating ball to hide when recording. And again, okay, this shake phone to stop recording. Okay, you can enable that one, you can disable it, but I've not used it. I've not shake my phone to stop recording. I always press the stop button. Okay, there are so many functions. There's so many functions. Then another area is the screenshot area. You can use it to screenshot. This is the brush area. If you want to brush some part, like if you want to brush some parts, you can see you can use this to brush some parts, like something like this to point. This brush is like a pointer. You can enable it to point. Okay, you can also change it. You can undo through this small tab. You can also change it to like something like a pointer, to point where you are narrating to. And there is also, with this you can see so many options. And let's see the camera function. You can also screen record your face. That's one thing about XRecorder. That's what this one good thing. This is the camera option. You can screen record your face. That's it. You can see my face. You You can, while you are recording your audio, you can screen record your face at the same time. So the camera option is very good as well. XRecorder is a very good screen recorder. So with this, I use it to make my screen recording. I don't use it for editing. You can also get it on Apple Play Store, and if you find any value in this video, this little video I'm making, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you hit the notification bell also. So why not you get XRecorder for your screen recording? It's very good. It's very good. Let me head down to my desktop again. You can see, I see it. Let me point XRecorder for you again once more. It's either I use this, I undo it, or I use this. I like using this. This one is good. You can see I'm pointing this recorder with my, so it's very good, very good. Thank you very much once more.